right. Well, share the compelling story of your departure from Pfizer and how it eventually led to you following your passion.
So, yes, 17 years, right? So one thing about pharmaceutical sales, it ebbs and it flows. When business is going great, they need a lot of people. When things shift, they may not need as many people. Think about the healthcare industry, right? Not just related from COVID, but just in general. Physicians had to do more. Nurses had to do more. You know, a lot of their medical decisions didn't always rely on what was the best medication. It was, will this insurance cover it, right? So as the industry changed, the companies had to change. So my entire division was laid off in almost exactly 1 year ago, August 25th of 2021. 400 something people, like across the nation, done. You know, thank you for everything you've done, but leave your car keys on the table because it's over. It doesn't normally happen like this when you're laid off, but 1 week later, a partner company that we worked with picked up all 400 people that were laid off, right? So a lot of things stayed the same, but we were doing it for a different company. Now, a little bit of background. Over the years, I loved Pfizer. It was great. You know, always had good working relationships with my managers and with my partners. But over time, I just started to wonder what else was out there for me. Because like I mentioned, I did one thing in my adult life in terms of work. So I definitely got a little restless as the years and months went on. But when we got on board with that new company, again, like being honest with yourself and gut checking, I knew I wasn't happy. I knew I didn't want to be there. I knew I wasn't at my best. I was doing important work, but I literally cared nothing about it. And like from a milestone perspective, I was about to turn 40, you know, kind of realize my potential. What's the rest of my life going to be? Like that kind of thing. So 1 week before I celebrated my 10-year anniversary, I turned in my resignation letter. I didn't know what I was going to do. Like, it wasn't to focus on anything else. It wasn't to get another job. It was just to allow myself the time at this point in my life to just think, right? Just see what else could be out there for me. Just open my arms to new opportunities. I always felt I could be good at other things, but I didn't know what those other things were because I never looked at anything else.
Yeah.